Welcome back to Market Making Mondays. This is episode 24. Real quick, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification button. And if this video isn't valuable to you, make sure you hit that like button. So with that out the way, Market Making Mondays is here to help new traders become profitable, traders that have been struggling for a while. Each week, I do a breakdown showing you exactly what the market is doing and possible trade setups and the potential move for the upcoming weeks ahead. That is Market Making Monday in a nutshell. You're in the right spot if you're trying to learn how to trade. So with that being said, you already know how it goes. Run my intro. Hey friends and new traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I'm here to teach day traders just like you how to become profitable by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get into this one. Last week, I didn't get the pullback that I expected to get last week. I did state that I am expecting the market to pull back to this level right here, which is a weekly level. Go to the weekly, you can see that I have it drawn here. And you can see this wick, it didn't quite hit that level, a little bit of a gap. So with that being said, it's clear as day right now that the market is somewhat in a strong, very strong trend. I did expect the market to pull back to this level right here, but it did not. And then I was expecting the market to pull back in this gap. It did not. All it did was consolidate. I thought the market was gonna break this short-term high and then continue low, faking traders out. It did not do that. So one thing about trading, you got to be able to adapt on the fly. You got to take things as they come. You got to be in the moment and be alert at all times. So the way I had it set up going into last week, I thought we would have a move pulling out the Fibonacci. And those that don't know, the Fibonacci tool is a way where we could expect the market to pull back. So if we're in a downtrend, the market is going down. At some point, the market is going to pull back. And the Fibonacci tool is simple. It's a simple tool where we have different levels on the Fibonacci, and we expect the market to hit that level, confluence with different trading ideas. So I was expecting the market to do something like this and pull back to the 61, but unfortunately it did not do that. So as the week went on, we had pretty much consolidation the whole week. The next thing I did was put the fib from this high to this low, and as you can see, we consolidated all week consolidation, hitting a psychological level. Psychological levels are where the banks love to trade at and love to send funds in on the market, where you could see like big moves or where the market will pull back to and liquidity will be taken out and pushed in the market. As you can see, the 50 confluence with the 625 psychological level. We did get the pullback there and it was rejecting like crazy. So we could have got an entry around here. And now right now we're at the negative 27. So that was this week's trading. Going into next week, we do have a lot of fundamental news release next week. Big week ahead. And with that being said, you can see that on the daily, I was talking about this daily low for quite some time that needed to be taken out, and then we could see a lot more further movement. So I do believe, strongly believe that next week with the fundamental news coming out, you got NFP coming out next week, so we could see a big push to this level right here, where there is no liquidity to the downside. It's just straight up movements. The news would definitely, most likely, will give it that push. And we're probably just going to pull back to this level right here, seeing that we're in a strong trend. We could use this wick as a level of resistance. That's a little trick right there. When you see long wicks like that, and once it's taken out, the market will pull back to those wicks. So we can mark that level off right there. All right, so expect market to pull back to that level right there. For now, I'm not going to draw on the Fibonacci because it is 11:40 on a Friday, so we could expect a little bit more further movement, but by next week we will have some type of level where we could pull out the fib, and obviously it'll be from this high to this low. And as of right now, if we could stop right here and we get a pullback somewhere, you can expect the pullback at the 32 and at confluence. Like I said, confluence is where we look to enter trade. So it confluence with that low that I just made right here, that black line. That is that daily low right there. We also have this low right here. So the market is going to want to retest the low, the 4-hour low as well. So definitely we could see the pullback either to the 30 or the 50 retracement level. So that is my trade prediction for next week, and I do expect the market to go a lot more lower than these Fibonacci levels. I'm going to be holding this trade. So that is Market Making Mondays, episode 24, straight to the point. If you guys really want to learn more about my trading ideas and my setups and potential moves, we got a whole library of Market Making Monday, started from episode 1. We're on episode 24 right now, so that's 24 episodes for you guys to watch. So go ahead and check those videos out. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of y'all day, evening, night, or weekend. I am out. Peace.